Hi and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will be presenting about integration in real life. Okay, first let me tell you our lecturer's name. Our lecturer name is Puan Shahida binti Said and our course code is DBM 20023. First let me introduce you to our group member. First is Muhammad Afif bin Zalani. His registration number is 01DKM21F1122. Second is Muhammad Fauzan bin Masri, 01DKM21F1124. Next is Sakilan, the son of Lecturer Manan, 01DKM21F1131. And lastly is me, Muhammad Afif Idaham bin Muhammad Shazi, 01DKM21F1137. For team role, my role and responsibility is find the point regarding introduction of integration. Second point, which is application of integration, will be shown by Sakilan. And the third point, constant solution for all question given, will be clearly shown by Fauzan. And lastly, the point of summary has been solved by Hafiz and he will show in his slide. Okay, let's move on to the introduction to integration. Okay, in differentiation, we study that if a function is differentiable in an interval, then we get a set of a family of value of the function in that interval. Is there any way by which we can get to know about the function if the value of the function within an interval are known? Okay, this process is the reverse of finding a derivative. Integration are the anti-derivative. Integration are the way of adding the part to find the whole. For example, integration is the whole pizza, and the slice are the differentiable function, which can be integrated if f(x) is any function and f prime x is its derivative. The integration of f prime x with respect to dx is given as integrate f prime x dx equal to fx plus c. Thank you. That's all from me. Now I will give the slide to Sakilan.
Hi everyone, my name is Sakilan, son of Puchma. My registration number is 01DKM21F1131. Today I would like to explain about the application of integration in real life, which is finding the area under the graph. As we all know that integration is one of the most ideal mathematical calculation which is being used widely in majority cases of life. One of the most practical application that is being used of integration is finding the amount of volume that a pipe can carry during a pipe production. As we all know, pipes are being one of the most important tools to supply water from water dams, and not only that, even from natural sources like seawater and also river for people for their daily needs. One thing we need to bear in mind is that production for a pipe is not only for carrying water, but it also to carry different kinds of liquids such as mercury and even more, which is being produced by industries all over the world. In this case, integration is being used in the production of pipe according to its ability to carry the particular volume of water in the pipe industries. So, let's look for an easy example of application of integration in real life, which is to calculate the volume of water in the water pipe. The production of pipe and its ability of carrying the amount of volume of water for any kind of liquid is practically based on the flow rate of the liquid and the total time taken for the liquid to pass through the pipe. For instance, let's look at an example to find the ability of pipe or the total volume of the pipe. From the diagram above, meter cube per second, which is in the y-axis, is well known as the flow rate of the water, and the time taken, which is at the x-axis, is the total time taken for the fluid pass through the pipe. So by using this integration, we can actually find the area under the graph to calculate the meter cube, which is well known as the volume of water. So an example to find the volume of water by finding the area of graph from the flow rate given and the time taken given is shown here with the calculation. Let's look here for a time. So to calculate the meter cube, which is the volume of water that the pipe can carry through, we have to use the function given from the graph, which is 4x minus x squared. So the limit we're going to use is 4 to 0 because the total time taken for the water to pass through the pipe is 4 and the end time will be 0. When we integrate 4x, it will be 2x squared, and when we integrate x squared, it will become x cubed per 3. So we have to replace x with 4, and here we have to replace x with 0. So the total result we get is 32 over 3 unit square. So the 32 unit square is the actual amount of volume that the pipe can carry through in the total amount of 4 seconds. This is how integration actually works in real life. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Fauzan bin Masri. I'm from DKM 2D. My matric number is 01 DKM 21F1124. Now I will explain about the solution for all the question. The graph of curve with equation y equal to 1 divided by 3x square and y equal to x plus c. So for the question A, it want the point of intersection A and B between two lines y equal to 1 divided by 3x square and y equal to x plus c. So for the solution we use formula y1 equal to y2. So y1 is 1 divided by 3x square and y2 is y equal to x plus c. So 1 equal to 3x square equal to x plus c. We move x plus c to the left and we get 1 divided by 3x square minus x minus c equal to 0. So for this solution we can use calculator, we use equation, and we get x negative c and x plus c equal to 0. For we write the answer x negative c equal to 0 and x plus 3 equal to 0. So x equal to c and x equal to negative 3. When x equal to c, y x tambah x plus c, we replace the x by c and we get y equal to 12. And for the another x, when x equal to negative 3, y x plus c, we replace the x by negative 3 and we get y equal to 3. So for the integration A, we get negative 3. For integration B, we get c 12. For the question B, it want the y-intercept point C. So y equal to x plus c. So c equal to c. And for the solution C, it want the area under the curve for the region bounded by the curve at axis. So integrate. So solution C, integrate x plus c minus 1 divided by 3x square dx. So we move 1 divided by 3x square to the front plus x plus c to the back dx. After we move the number, we integrate. So negative 1 divided by 3x square plus 1 it become x cube divided by 3 plus x when plus 1 it become x square divided by 2 plus 6x. So after we integrate, the answer we get is negative 1 divided by 9 x cube plus x square divided by 2 plus 6x. So after we get this answer, we have to transfer the x that we get from the interaction A and B from the question A. So the first x from the point A, we transfer negative 1 divided by 9, we change the x into the x, we get negative 1 divided by 9 multiply 6 power by 3 plus 6 divided by 6 power by 2 divide by 2 plus 6 multiply 6 minus, so we get the another x from the point B, we get negative 1 divided by 9 multiply negative 3 power by 3 plus negative 3 power by 2 divide by 2 plus negative 6 multiply negative 3. And for the x6 we get negative 24 plus 18 plus 36 minus 3 plus 9 divided by 2 minus 18. So after we calculate, we get 30 minus negative 20 divided by 2. So the answer, then the last answer we get is 14.5 unit power by 2. That's the answer. That's all from me. Thank you.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Afiq Jalani, and my number of registration is 01 DKM 21F1122, and I'm from class DKM 2D, and my lecturer is Puan Syahidah Said. So pada hari ini kita akan membincangkan tentang summary, iaitu rumusan tentang aplikasi integration di dalam kehidupan seharian kita. Seperti mana kita tahu, integration adalah salah satu fungsi kegunaan ilmu matematik yang akan digunakan, yang telah digunakan sejak beberapa abad dahulu dan digunakan di masa moden ini untuk kegunaan seharian kita. Kita boleh tahu daripada segi-segi business, engineering, part of construction. So kita memulakan untuk menggunakan integration. So point yang kita boleh lihat di sini adalah no modern enterprise operating in a vacuum. Business process are constantly evolving, and so are the software application companies rely on the critical tasks such as enterprise resources planning, ERP. So dekat sini kita boleh lihat kegunaan integration amat penting di dunia masa moden kita adalah untuk melihat kos-kos barang ataupun sebahagian daripada pengurusan sesebuah perniagaan itu untuk membeli bahan-bahan sesebuah perniagaan tersebut amat penting untuk penggunaan ilmu integration, iaitu ilmu-ilmu yang berkaitan dengan matematik ini amat penting di dalam bidang bisnes dan juga bidang software, aplikasi software. Yang di sini kita boleh lihat kebanyakan ilmu berkaitan dengan integration ini telah digunakan secara meluas dalam bidang software. Yang kita boleh lihat aplikasi-aplikasi yang boleh kita ambil seperti contoh MySejahtera, penggunaan AutoCAD, itu pun melibatkan integration yang melibatkan jalan pengiraan, bukan MySejahtera, jalan yang melibatkan pengiraan seperti AutoCAD, seperti AutoTinkerCAD yang digunakan oleh kejuruteraan elektrikal, itu menggunakan application software yang melibatkan integration. Dan seterusnya supply chain management and financial analysis and reporting, itu pun melibatkan daripada segi perniagaan atau perdagangan yang harus dimahirkan oleh seseorang, tidak kisah daripada segi engineering ataupun bidang perniagaan. Itu amat penting untuk memahami dan memperoleh dan memperkasakan ilmu tentang integration ini. Dan consequently, application of integration has become increasingly important to anyone seeking to connect all the enterprises application to new cloud application. So dekat sini kita boleh lihat secara ringkasnya berkaitan tentang rumusan tentang integration ini adalah tentang penggunaan aplikasi integration tersebut dalam meningkatkan kepentingan seseorang itu berhubung dengan sebuah maklumat yang dah lama, tetapi kita boleh berhubung lagi dengan sistem yang baru, iaitu dengan penggunaan ilmu integration of application of integration yang diperlukan untuk dalam ilmu matematik. Okey. Secure access to share data for both mobile and on-premises users. Maksudnya penggunaan ini secara meluas telah digunakan untuk berkongsi data yang digunakan oleh seseorang itu untuk berkongsi dengan seseorang yang lain. Itu amat penting dalam penguasaan ilmu integration ini untuk kita membuka luas lebih bidang dalam penggunaan integration ini. And navigate the digital transformation with minimal disruption to and hopefully with improvement even productivity and profitability. So dekat sini kita boleh lihat penggunaan akhir daripada integration ini amat meluas, tidak kisah dari bidang engineering ataupun perniagaan. Ia amat meluas digunakan untuk membantu seseorang untuk memahirkan diri mereka dalam bidang integration ataupun ilmu matematik ini, kerana ilmu matematik ini digunakan tiap-tiap hari oleh kita untuk kita melatih diri kita ini dalam bidang corak, dalam bidang corak pemikiran yang lebih kreatif, corak pemikiran yang lebih terbuka, corak pemikiran yang lebih cepat berfikir dan bertindak dalam menggunakan matematik. Okey, terima kasih. Oleh itu daripada saya.